Hi, Dave Lawson, and welcome back to another Spotlight feature video. Today we're going to be featuring the Dometic 2672 refrigerator, which is a 6 cubic foot 2-door refrigerator. With me today is Randy Rietzecker from Dometic, and he's going to walk us through the operations of this refrigerator.
Hey, thank you. This refrigerator, what we did, we hid the displays now, so we got more of a residential look to it. We changed our handles a little bit, and we got the new feature where all you got to do is pull it this way and it opens right up, and both doors are exactly the same. Now if you notice, you open up the top freezer door, and up here is our display panel. We have your power for your on and off, and then we have our auto button here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and now you're going to see a light illuminate that says auto. If you do not want it in the auto feature, which I'll explain in just a second, you push it again. Now it's in the gas mode. But most people leave it in the auto mode. And the way the auto mode works, this refrigerator has electric priority. Gas is a secondary heat source. So if your LP tanks are on and everything, and you're plugged into shore power, it will automatically go to electric. If you unplug your shore power, it will automatically go to gas for you. Then when you get to your next destination, you plug it back in and it will jump back to electric. So if you want it strictly on gas and you're not going to be using electric, you just push that button, your gas button, until the auto light goes off. Now it's 100% gas and it will never go to electric. Now one thing you'll notice, we have a motion sensor light here on the side now, and then we also have adjustable shelves that can adjust on the sides. We also have our door bins, which are adjustable. Then the other feature about it, we have nice crispers that come out and has a built-in handle on the back so you can carry things. And if you need to adjust your temperature adjustment is over here on the side. And we have a little sticker here that'll tell you warmer or colder, and you just slide it down or push it up. Now that beeping you hear also tells you that your door is open. So if you don't close it all the way, it'll give you that warning. The other thing is, with your displays being now hidden behind the door, we have this in the gas mode, and it did not light because our gas is off. So that is why your check light is now beeping in an audio there for you. So now you press that and reset it, and that clears your check. And now you're back in your normal function again.